Okay, so this one arrow here, this angle in here, that is a right angle. Because you can see whenever you have that square, it's a right angle, and it means it is 90 degrees. And then the other angle they're showing us here is this angle here, which would be an obtuse angle. We have some more angles to look at here. So angle A is this angle there. That is also going to be an obtuse angle. And angle B here is another right angle.